welcome to my Boracay vlog day 1. Decided to split the vlog because it would be too long in one go. It was an early day for us. We went to the airport at 5 a.m. because our flight was at 7:25 a.m. It takes approximately 1 hour to get to Caticlan Boracay from Mactan, Cebu. Shangri-La Boracay provides transfers from Caticlan Airport to the port to the resort. They also have their own lounge for boat transfers, which is very clean, spacious, and they even have a coffee and tea station. Yay! It only takes about 5 minutes from the port to the resort. Hello, Shangri-La Boracay.
Careful. Careful, Renee. bathroom. Whoa.
Hey! Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Shangri-La Boracay. So if you guys are interested to know more about this place, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. By the way, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. And now let's start with the room tour. The room is so spacious and the view from our room, it's so beautiful. Imagine waking up to this. And I noticed this. It's so cute. Slippers for toddlers. This is for Renee. It's so cute. Of course, slippers for the adults. Alright, so things we love so far. First and foremost, their port. We love that they have their own port and it's very nice, spacious. They have their own coffee station which serves Nespresso, good quality coffee. They have some tea, some cookies, and we love their toilets over there. It's spacious, it's clean, good customer service. We love that the transfers were very seamless as well. They have their own speedboat and they were very welcoming. Once we got here, they have their own drum beaters, very festive. And it was just very seamless. They already have their carts ready to welcome us, to bring us to the lobby and to our rooms. And the room is very nice, you guys. It's very spacious and the view, wow. We love it here. So far, so good. Thank you. Hey there.
You want me to slide with you? Okay, go. Let's go! Sakit sa one. Okay, can you cook for me? Can you cook food for me, Renee?
How do you do?
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Daddy.
Yeah. What?
Daddy, please.
What?
Can you take a picture of the church?
You want me to go there?
Over the church.
Okay.
Should we see if we can get it all the way up?
Ah,
Let's go.
it's very slippery.
Let me take it with my hand. Let me up.
Where are you, Renee? We can't find you. Oh, there you are. There you are.
Go.
Whoa. Go.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Lisa.
Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? You want to climb up? Want to climb up? Okay. Climb up? You want to go up? Go up? Yeah. Okay, slowly. Go up.
Daddy.
Okay, 1, 2, go! One, two, go! Hold the sides, go. Go, go, go. Good job, Renee. Ready, steady, go! That's the one.
Oh, we have to start with the mouse.
And that's it for day 1 of our Shangri-La Boracay vlog. Stay tuned for day 2 and day 3. Don't forget to leave a comment, say hi, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when I have new uploads. See you on the next one.